everybody. I think everybody is close tonight. Okay po ba tayo? Nabusog po tayo. We witness the family, co-workers, and everybody. Maraming salamat po. And before, we're almost close to the closing time. Before that, syempre, hindi natin papalagpasin na marinig din kung ano po yung nasa puso niya for tonight. So everybody, please bear with our fabulous Mitch Nakred.
First off, I would like to thank God, of course, for giving me 50 years of fabulous life.
Yeah!
For giving me all the blessings, all the love, for giving me a big family back home and here. What you see here is just a fraction of my Marinas clan. Yeah. Because my mom has 8 other siblings, so they are 9. So imagine we are 30 cousins.
Wow!
Yeah. And I was the firstborn girl. That's why I'm being bullied by 6 older male cousins. So I thank God for giving me such a wonderful and caring family back home and here. They're the one who really, molded me as a person. Especially when they mentioned, Janelle mentioned our Apong Bakit. Because really, I grew up with my great-grandmother who died 103 with a short memory. Apong Bakit to me. And my grandparents, of course, my mom's parents. So that's why I love really working with elders. And I don't see myself working with any other field but with elders. And I thank my mom for coming today. Actually, she doesn't like to travel a lot because she's old. She's 72 actually. She turned 72 last February 3. Thank you, Mother, for coming. They just booked her ticket last Monday. Yeah.
Wow.
She wouldn't be coming here if not because of my cousin who's flew in the plane.
Yeah.
Who flew the plane coming here. Kasi she's really scared of riding planes and she doesn't like traveling. But thank you, Mother, for getting your 3 months prescription. So we don't. I love you, Mama. Yeah, thank you. And also thank you to my Uncle Ed. And my Auntie Anna from Washington. And all my cousins, Patrick, Jerome, and Janelle, the favorite daughter. Thank you all guys and their family, of course, Camille, Theo, and me. Thank you guys for crossing the border for me. Although it's such a short notice, I know you guys are very busy, but you managed to come over. Thank you. And thank you to my auntie, Auntie Bad. She's been my auntie companion. When I was in college, I lived with her in Manila. So, our tandem talaga since back 1997, 98. So, thank you, Auntie, for all the support and the love. And of course, my Auntie Irene. Yeah. This aunt of mine is the youngest of 9 siblings. So, we only have probably 5 years, Auntie. Zero age? No. She's only, my youngest cousin is about her age. Yeah, she's the eldest. So thank you, Auntie, and always remember that I really thank God for your life. And I always be grateful that you helped me come to Canada and enjoy this wonderful life. And to meet all these wonderful people. I really think her. She's the most patient, the most kind, the most loving, the most understanding auntie. And her siblings can attest to that. Whatever you tell her, she'll just take it so lightly. Hindi marunong magtampo yung tita ko yan. So, kapag nagtampo yan, nasa iba. But it will not last long. So I really thank you, Auntie, for all your help, for all your support. Whenever I'm down, you're always there to talk with. And you always encourage me. I love you.
Amen.
And what else? Of course! My Opalite Mamshis. It all started with them. This party has no plans at all. My friends from Amica, they were like, what is your plan? Are we going to buy our gown? No, tell me now so we can order and blah, blah, blah. And I said, I don't have plans at all. But because of these ladies, especially Jeanette, the coordinator,
The MC.
the MC, the program, what else? The outfit. Sa kanya talaga. I'm really blessed to have a friend, you know, like her. Imagine leaving her kids back from Toronto just
No,
to move
Edmonton.
here.
Edmonton.
And Pastor Edmonton, I mean. Sorry. This speech is not prepared, so
Forgiven.
So she's the reason why siya po lahat talaga to. Thank you, Mamiyo. I call her Mamiyo
Yeah.
for giving me your time, your energy this night. Grabe. Hindi yata nakainom ng kanyang maintenance. She's so hyped. Thank you, Mamiyo. And of course, whatever you see here, right here, from the chair, tables, the decorations, everything, I would like to thank you, my friend Joanna Moore. Nung nagtito po yung golden birthday yung friend namin na isa, she said, who's gonna be next? Oh, you, Mitcha, is the next. So don't worry about those, you know, coverings, all the, the catering services. It's all on me. So if you have these friends that supports you, you know, how can you say no? They did. So thank you so much, my friend, Joanna Moore, Mami Yo, and of course, Joanne. First, my friend Joanne, I love you, friend. Thank you so much too for all the support, and of course, the wife of the guitarist there, the leader of the band, Brother Toto, and our singers here, Kim, si Brother Jonathan, galing pa po yan ng Victoria Island. May hinatid kahapon, bumalik ngayon hapon, tapos babalik ulit. Because there is a tournament there ng pamangkin niya na kailangan niyang i-drive. So thank you so much guys for your all effort. God bless you all. And of course, the members of the band, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Yeah. And thank you all for coming, my relatives on this side, my Roger and Tina. I remember it well. Thank you so much for coming. And the kids, of course. Vincent, Victor, Bon, thank you. And my Miracle Life family, they're all here. Thank you. And the Sarangkin family, they're actually my extended family here in Vancouver. Because they're like my family. Ang laki-laki ng family nila. Thank you so much. My cousins, Joanne and family, thank you. And our light of the world, Sister, thank you, Sister Pilar, Brother Joseph, Brother Lisa, Ate Zenny, of course, my Ate Zenny. Thank you so much. And thank you, Amika. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for coming. Kahit may mga duty pa yan bukas, some of them. Almost of them may pasok bukas, but they all managed to come here and join us. So thank you so much. God bless po everyone. And you are all free to take home the leftovers. We have containers available there. Please help yourself. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much for the Okay. Ilan po ba kayo dyan? So let's welcome back again our live band. Alright, sa mga mag-asawa po na gusto ko sumayaw, if you are really wanted to dance with your partner, you wanted to dance, you may do so, or I can dance by myself. Ay, nakamay pala ako. Hello, my darling. Okay lang po ba? Salamat po sa ating pinagpipitatan